Okay, I'm Dave Wall with Wall Grain. We build bins and grain handling systems in Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. Doing that for over 20 years, and trade shows are always a big part of our company to meet the guys and talk about new stuff coming on. The big thing in grain handling right now is the bins have gotten really big, and so the bin has to be designed properly and built properly. So the challenge has been to get the right crews to build it right now. So over the years, we've really have been very fortunate to get some crews that make my job a lot easier, because it's built in 1 week. We pour the concrete and it's built. And that the farmers just love it when a big 30 or 40,000 bushel bin is built and it's done right. And not only is it done right, we have everything in that bin that they want, with the proper floors in there, the proper fans. And right now we've just introduced a new product called moisture cables and Integris. Now what this does is we actually have moisture sensors in the bin that tell us the moisture content in there. Now you realize that on a 30,000 bushel bin full of canola, we're pushing close to $500,000 worth of product in that one bin alone. So with the sensors, we not only have the temperature in there, we also have moisture. So now we can actually, tell if that grain is either too dry or too wet, and we can either turn the fans on at the right time or actually put moisture back in the bins. But farmers are so busy these days, so then we tie it to a computer, and this is one of the new things that we're presenting this year, is where we tie it into a computer and we can actually get the fan to turn on when it's right to add moisture or take out moisture. And so that the farmers, when it's like with the iPhone, they can see their device, man, I got to get that fan going, or I got to get that fan turned off, because they're concerned about that $500,000 in that bin. And then the other thing, of course, tying into that, we also do a lot of grain dryers, where the grain is coming off so fast, and it has to be conditioned to be sold. So then we have to actually dry the grain through a physical grain dryer. And that's another part of our company, where we put up bucket elevators and dryers to get that whole system dried fast so that they can market to the grain properly.